Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to walk through some important security settings available in vDesigner that can help manage how your application behaves and handles user sessions and data. Let's get started. Open your app and hover on the left panel and click on Security. First, enable App Server Logs. This setting lets you enable detailed logging for your application. When enabled, it captures logs every time your server is hit or an API is executed, which is extremely helpful for monitoring and debugging during development or production. Second, Application Status. This option reflects the current status of your application, whether it's active or inactive. It's a simple way to manage availability and restrict access when needed. Third, Allowed Source IP. This feature defines the set of IP addresses allowed to access your application. By limiting IP access, you can enforce a layer of security that ensures only trusted sources can interact with your system. Fourth, Application Session Expiry Time. With this setting, you can control how long the application itself stays active. By default, it's set to 10 days, but you can modify it based on your specific needs for session duration. Fifth, User Session Expiry Time. Similar to App Session Expiry, this option defines how long a user session remains active. Once the time limit is reached, the session expires, and the user would need to log in again. Sixth, Allow Multiple Sessions. This controls whether a single user can maintain multiple sessions simultaneously. If disabled, a new login will terminate any previous session. If enabled, the user can be logged in from multiple devices at once. Seventh, App ID Validation Required. This feature validates the source IP every time an API or service is triggered. It helps ensure that incoming requests are from legitimate and authorized sources, adding an extra layer of security. 8. Inactive Session Tracking. This option specifies whether inactive sessions should be managed and tracked. It helps retain details of sessions that are no longer active, which can be useful for auditing or reactivation workflows. 9th, Inactive Session Expiry Time. You can define the expiry time specifically for inactive sessions, essentially setting how long such sessions should be retained before being discarded. 10th, App Client Secret Validation. Every time a service or API runs, it validates itself using a client secret. This secret acts like a secure key or password that ensures only valid requests are processed by your services. And that's a quick walkthrough of the most useful security and session management features available in vDesigner 2.0. You can modify these settings as needed using the Edit option. Just toggle the value and click Update to apply changes. Thanks for watching and happy learning.